I got the video.
Yeah,
I got the video and stuff, but I just wanted to see if we could basically like teach me how to look for good trades that you would get into and um like execute basically. You know what I'm saying? Because like I know I tried it. I tried to do like with the video that I got said, but it just reversed on me. So maybe I did something wrong. I don't know.
I got you.
But yeah,
Let me set up a better webcam. This one.
wait, let me set my chair up.
Way better.
Oh, I do have a question though, right?
What's up?
So for some reason, like I already had $60 in there, so I had put 300 in there. And then like but for some reason every time I make a trade, like it be so low, like the outcome, like you feel me?
Yeah,
And
just
like
up
by
your
put
lot size. Up your lot size. There should be a part where it says unit or basically it should be like in the middle of it.
all right, let me go see real quick.
Just up the lot size. That's it. You just upping it. And you said what are trades that I would take? So
Yeah,
basically you see on this on EU how I'm using my whole numbers.
wait,
This
hold
one's
on.
at 750.
Wait, how you did that again? You
This
say,
double clicking.
uh-huh. Okay, you just double click on it and it pops up.
Yeah, it's on coordinates.
So you click the line that you got, the blue line that's there.
Yeah, I'll do it again. I just double click.
Okay.
And that's the only thing that is just this the horizon. Let me see, horizontal ray. Yeah, horizontal ray.
Okay.
And I just double click and just go on over the coordinates. And you can type
Okay.
it in.
And then you'll type the whole number, which is one.
This one is 16750. So all I did if it was 700, I just put it at 750 because 750 makes it look a lot easier and cleaner. Like if
Mm-hmm.
I just put 700, it'll come down here.
Okay.
But since I seen it was at the 750,
Okay.
it goes a lot smoother like that. So it'll either always be the whole numbers, or if it's not meeting me directly at my whole numbers, then I'm gonna go to the 850, 950, and so on. Like this right over here, if you're in sales, you can obviously see it's a flat whole number, and you can see how all the candlesticks
Bounce stuff there.
bounce off that exact whole number like that. These are trades. This is nice. This is a nice trade. You see just a clean whole number, and you can see that price is already failing going down. And you see
Mm-hmm.
the price bouncing on that whole number. One, two, three, four, five candlesticks, six candlesticks, and then way over here, seven, eight, where it's barely tapping it and just shooting down. Those are
Yeah.
perfect
So
trades.
so when you see those first two wicks like
Hmm.
go through that number, that's when you'll set up your trade to go in the opposite way.
Yeah. Not in
And
the
then you,
opposite way if it's in sales.
oh, like you mean the trend is going down, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
So since I already see that all this heavy sell pressure, all I'm doing is looking for sales in my, you already know that there's resistance right here because it goes up, shoots down, goes up, shoots down, goes up, shoots down, goes up, shoots down, goes up, shoots down. That means this is a resistance area. All I did was put the price, the horizontal line at the whole number of the price, and that's where the entry would be at.
Okay, and you'll put a limit order so when that comes back in there,
I don't
it'll
have to put a limit order, but you can, yes. It's just if I see it's in that back in that area because it's a 30-minute time frame. So 30 minutes, like this is one, two, three, four, five. That's five candlesticks of 30 minutes.
yeah. So that's what I'm saying. So you wouldn't sit there and wait for it to touch it again. You'll just like put your limit order and just.
You can, yeah, you can. I'm saying you can. I'm
Okay.
just saying, like, if I'm already on the chart and if I'm walking away or going on with my day, I'm just looking at that area, and
Okay.
that's not a lot to do for me. Just to look at if it's in the area.
Nah, yeah, because I know I had tried because I went to like you said to go to like the 4 hour and then an hour and then 30
Hmm.
minutes. So I was
Hmm.
like, looked at the 4 hours, it seemed like buys. Looked at the hours, seemed like buys. And then
On
yeah.
EU,
But
are you
nah,
are you
it
talking about
wasn't
on EU or just in general?
no, in general, in general.
Yeah, for sure, 100%. 100%. Like if you're saying the dailies in sales, the 4 hours in sales, the 30 minutes in sales, then only look for sales. Don't look for no buys. Just sales.
Okay. Could you teach me like how to like off of your thing right here? Could you teach me like how to up the lot size? Because I think I'll be like I don't know because I know every time you put a trade in, it's gonna tell you like how many units you want to buy, and like I would change the amount of units so I could fill up my margin, thinking like if I use because you need a certain amount of money to even place a bet.
What
So like
broker do you have?
Oanda,
Oh, Anda. Okay,
yeah,
I have Hanko Trade. I could tell you on Hanko Trade, Oanda. I don't have Oanda right now,
yeah,
but I mean it's just upping units. That should be.
and I could only trade Forex on there. Like I can't trade gold or nothing. Like not even regular stocks. So I plan on changing my
Here,
broker anyway.
I'll send you this link. I'll send you a broker that has all that.
All right, but because Oanda, you can't trade shit. And I be seeing everybody they trade NASDAQ 100. And I'm like, I be thinking like you gotta have like $10,000 in a big account to trade that
No,
shit.
no. I just sent it to you right now. They have
All right,
zero commission, raw spreads.
I bet this is what the Henko thing you was talking about.
No, this is a Hero FX. You can pull it up and you'll see that they have a raw spread, zero commission, and fast withdrawals. So that's all the stuff you would want.
Okay. What's raw spread mean? What that mean?
So basically when you take a trade, you know how when you take a trade, it'll be like a little bit above the trade. That's
Yeah,
spread.
like you'll be losing already, basically.
Yeah, that's it's a commission. So basically the broker, you're basically paying the broker 10 cents or 8 cents or whatever it is that they have for their commission. So that basically takes away the commission, and wherever you place your trade at, that's where you'll enter.
And this is compatible with like trading view, right?
SP5. Yeah, well, trading view is just for me to look up mark up my charts.
Oh, so you don't actually trade on trading view?
No, I mark up my charts on trading view. I trade on my phone.
Oh, okay. Okay. I always thought like it was better to trade on a computer because you could see like
You
everything.
can. You can do both.
Nah, yeah.
Let me break this down to you one more time over on this real quick.
All right, but
All right, so we're on the daily. You can see that how we have all this selling pressure all in this area right here. All this sell pressure. Sell. So we understand that. We go down to the 4 hour. We obviously see that we are still in sales. Sell,
mm,
sell, sell. We understand we're in some sales, and you can see it right here. Sell. Go down to the 30. I'm only looking for sell opportunities, which is basically like resistance, resistance, resistance. And since you see all those resistance areas, we don't need all this because we're only going to be trading where the market is currently.
yeah.
You see that we are in this area currently right now. This would have been your resistance.
So you'll put 50, right? 16950? 1700. Okay.
Yeah, because that's where we're at right now. And if you missed your opportunity, if you
Bless
mi-
you.
Appreciate it. If you missed your opportunity over here, or you missed it right here, just like you said, you could take it to the next line of the 50
And catch it right there.
and catch it right here. That was simple.
Yeah. I mean, it's always simple when somebody else explaining it. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like when I know you was asking me, like, you got any questions? You got any questions? And then as soon as I start doing it, that's when all the questions pop in my head. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And it's like, because you make it sound so simple and easy, which it seems that way. You know what I'm saying?
hmm
But um, you know how that shit go.
Yeah. Just don't try to rush trades. Let the trade come to you. If you're ever anxiety about any trade, it's because you're not letting the trade come to you. It's because you're chasing it. If you're
Yeah.
letting it come to you, then you're not anxious about nothing. Like if you're waiting for price to come back up right here, what are you anxious for? You're waiting. There's nothing to be anxious about. You're waiting for price to come back, enter, let it drop. So there's no reason for you to be anxious if you missed it and you're like, okay, well, I'm gonna just wait for the next play. Just wait.
Mm,
Just wait. There should be no anxious. There should be nothing. Enter, let it drop. Only way you're anxious is if you entering down here, and you're just getting stopped out, stopped out, stopped out, stopped out, stopped. That's what you're doing if you're anxious about anything.
all right, Beth. So let me ask you this question too, right? So you see how we're looking for sales,
Mm-hmm.
right? But
Mm-hmm.
right here, you have that wicked out a little bit, and
What
it bounced right back up. No, at the bottom, at the bottom.
oh, right here?
Yeah, yeah.
What
So
about
now that we're at the bottom, or now that we're at the bottom currently, where price is at right now,
mm-hmm.
would you never like would take it going back up?
You can, but then you're playing the game of buy sell, and if all your sell, if you're selling on the daily and you're selling on the 4 hour, then I'm just going to be with the big boys and be on the sell side versus trying
Okay.
to be on the opposite side of them, because then I'm just going to get smacked.
Yeah.
But you can. I'm not saying you can't because look, you can see that, it happens. I'm not saying you can't. I'm just saying if I'm gonna put my money in it, I would rather want to be able to have the best odds possible.
Yeah. And that's going with the trend.
Going with the trend.
All right, bet. If you could, because I'll be trade like, until I do this,
hmm
I'll be trading on Trading View and shit. But if you could, can you like just bust a trade out and show me like how would you like set your like your units, or how would you do the trade? Like,
Well, I don't do that on here. This is Trading View, so I can only break the chart down on here.
nah, yeah, like on or whatever you traded on. Like, is there like, would you be able to show me, or it's only
On
in your
on
phone?
here, yeah, I would have to just keep doing this.
Oh, okay, okay, I got you, I got you.
Yeah,
All
but
right, bet.
I just yeah.
Nah, yeah. So I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna try to do that exactly what you said just now, because oh, this is a question I had for you last time too, because this is what happened. So what if on a 4 it's a buy, on a 1 hour it's a buy, and then on a 30 minute it's looking like a sell? Then you just move on to the next one.
You can move on to the next one, or you could just wait till that 30 minute is if you're saying the daily and the 4 hour is buys, then just wait for the 30 minute to be a buy.
Okay.
You don't always have to put your money in the market. Like you can hold on. Not trading is still a winning day. You didn't lose.
Yeah, it's a fact. That is a fact. Hell yeah. Sometimes you just be anxious, like, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, man, just want to change your life around, but you know it don't happen overnight. Everybody know that. But
Yeah.
sometimes I'll be looking like, oh, this a trade right here, and then it really don't be a trade. So, or a good one at that.
hmm
I did win like one $30 trade, like probably like 2 days ago.
hmm
But, you know, most of them was like not wins and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna just keep practicing that, until I
Yeah,
get it
and give
right.
yourself some grace, man. You're brand new.
Nah, yeah, yeah. That's why I ain't hit you up like since I spoke to you, because I just want to like
hmm
fuck with it a little bit, try to get my feet wet and shit. Because I know you probably got like hella clients you calling you on a daily basis, probably.
Every day.
Yeah, you know what I mean. So I'm like, let me just fuck with it a little bit and see what I could do, or whatever, and then holla at you next week.
Yeah, man. I was just checking up on you, making sure you taken care of and got all your questions answered, man.
Nah, yeah, man, I appreciate that for real.
All right, man. Just let me know.
All right, thank you, buddy.
All right.